Today we will study about the tetrahedral and octahedral void in face-centered cubic unit cell. Here these spheres are packed in cubic close pack arrangement where this red ball represents the first layer, yellow ball second layer, blue ball represents the third layer, and this red ball again represents the fourth layer. When these spheres are packed in FCC, a unit cell form will be a face-centered cubic unit cell. Here the atoms are placed at the corner of the cube as well as at the face-centered position. Now, during this packing, two different types of voids are generated. One is known as tetrahedral void and another is known as octahedral void. Now, this is an example of tetrahedral void. Here, the tetrahedral void is surrounded by four spheres placed at the corner of the tetrahedron. Now, octahedral void is formed or surrounded by, this octahedral void is surrounded by six spheres, three in the first layer and the three balls or sphere placed over it in the second layer. Now, octahedral void is surrounded by six spheres. When we rotate this sphere, these three spheres in one layer and three spheres in the another layer. When we rotate these spheres, an octahedral geometry will be obtained where four spheres lie in the same plane, one on the top and another at the bottom. This is octahedral geometry. Now let us see from this figure. Here it is an octahedral void. It is surrounded by these three balls in the second layer, 1, 2 and 3, and these three balls 1, 2 and 3 in the first layer, 1, 2, 3 in the first layer and 1, 2, 3 in the second layer. This is an octahedral void. Now, tetrahedral void is surrounded by four spheres directed towards the corner of the tetrahedron. Now, if we rotate this molecule in this way, we have an octahedral geometry where the central boundary is surrounded by four spheres in one plane, one on the top and another at the bottom. This void is surrounded by six spheres, four in one plane, one above the central atom and one below the central atom. This is an octahedral geometry. Now let us locate the position of octahedral void in cubic close packed arrangement. Now here this black ball represents the sphere packed in FCC. It is a face-centered cubic unit cell that arises due to the cubic close packing of this black sphere which are placed at the corner of the unit cell as well as at the face-centered position. Let us have the view. This is a face-centered cubic unit cell where these black spheres are present at the corner of the cube as well as at the face-centered position. Here, this octahedral void is created at the edge-centered position as well as one octahedral void will be created at the body centered position. Now, let us take this edge centered sphere. This edge centered sphere is surrounded by 6 spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, which lies in the same plane surrounding this yellow ball, which represents the position of octahedral void. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 spheres lie in the same plane, one below the plane and one located above the plane. So the void created at the edge centered position will be of octahedral type. It is surrounded by 6 spheres, 4 placed in the one plane and one above the plane and one just below the plane, and all the angles are 90 degrees. Now let us have the view. This is edge centered position. There are total 12 edges in the cubic unit cell, and at the center of each edges octahedral void is created. These octahedral voids are generated as a result of cubic close arrangement of this black colored sphere. Now let us see the position of this octahedral void, which is located at the body centered position. Now this body centered position atom is surrounded by 6 spheres. 4 lie in the same plane, that are the face centered position of the 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and this 4. These 4 face centered atoms lie in the same plane, one below at the base, this one, and one at the top, this one. So this is also an octahedral void which is created, which is surrounded by nearest 6 spheres placed at the face centered position of each phases. There are 6 phases in this unit cell, and at all the face centered position black sphere will be present. So this central body center position is surrounded by nearest 6 spheres which are placed at the face center position of the each phases. 4 walls, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 face centered atoms that lie in the same plane, one below the plane and one above the plane, that is this one. So this is an octahedral void. So the octahedral void is created at the edge centered position, as well as one octahedral void will be created at the body centered position in face centered cubic unit cell. Let us have the view. This is an octahedral void. The yellow ball represents the octahedral void and black ball or sphere represents the spheres which are tagged in FCC. Now at all the edge center octahedral void will be created, and one octahedral void will be created at the body centered position. Now let us locate the tetrahedral void in face centered cubic unit cell. Here red sphere occupies the corner of the cube as well as at the face centered position, and blue ball represents the position of the tetrahedral void. Let us have the view. These tetrahedral voids are located on the body diagonals. Let us count from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this corner there is a tetrahedral void. From this corner one tetrahedral void here. This corner this is another tetrahedral void, and this corner this is another tetrahedral void. 4 tetrahedral void from the four corners placed at the top and the four tetrahedral voids at the below. 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. So there are total 8 tetrahedral void and they are located at 1 foot distance from each corner on the body diagonals, and each diagonals contain 2 tetrahedral void. Now we have seen that tetrahedral void is surrounded by 4 spheres placed at the corner of the tetrahedron. This is blue ball represents the tetrahedral void. It is surrounded by 4 spheres placed at the corners of the tetrahedron. Now let us see from this corner. This is a tetrahedral void. This tetrahedral void is surrounded by 3 face-centered atoms. This corner is in this unit cell. Each corner is common between 3 faces. This one is XZ plane, this one is YZ plane, and this plane is X and Y plane. So each corner is common between 3 planes in this cubic unit cell. And each plane, these 3 planes surrounding this corner, there is a face-centered atom. On each face there is a face-centered atom. 1, 2 and 3. 3 face-centered atoms are there. These 3 face-centered atoms are pointed towards the corner of the tetrahedron and as well as one at the top. This is the 4th corner of the tetrahedron. That the corner atoms lie at the 4th corner of the tetrahedron. 3 spheres placed in one plane and one at the top and on the depressions created by these 3 spheres. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 spheres which are placed at the face-centered position of the cubic unit cell. Face-centered cubic unit cell. Now let us have the view. This one is the tetrahedral void which is surrounded by 3 spheres. 1, 2, 3. These 3 spheres are placed in the first layer and this is corner atom is the 4th sphere that is placed over the depression created by these 3 spheres placed at the face-centered position. And in between these 4 spheres a tetrahedral void will be created and that will be placed at the on the diagonals, body diagonals. Now, this sphere is surrounded by 3 spheres. 1, 2 and 3 face-centered position atom, and the corner atom is placed on the top of these 3 spheres or empty space created by these 3 spheres. So this is the position of the tetrahedral void. Here these are the 3 spheres. These are the 3 spheres which are placed at the face-centered position. 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 spheres placed at the face-centered position, and this one is the 4th sphere that is placed over the depression created by these 3 spheres placed at the face-centered position. This is the corner atom and these are the 3 face-centered atoms placed in FCC. Let us have the view. Now let us consider this one. This corner is common between 3 faces. 1, 2, this is the face-centered atom, and 3rd one is the base, lying at the base, this one. So these 3 spheres, 1, 2 and this 3, they are placed at on the first layer, and this is the sphere which is placed at the top of the empty space created by these 3 spheres. And this is the tetrahedral void that is surrounded by 4 neighboring spheres, 1, 2 and 3, and this one is the corner atom which is placed over these 3 spheres placed at the face-centered position. Corner is common between 3 unit cell. This corner is common between 3 faces, 1, 2 and 3, and this empty space or the tetrahedral void, this tetrahedral void is created over these three face centered position in the first layer, and this corner atom is placed on the top of these three spheres, and the empty space created in between these four spheres is known as tetrahedral void, and this tetrahedral void is located on the diagonals from each corner at 1 foot distance. Thank you.